Hey, how's it going, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming Profit YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about a potential swing trade investment opportunity for 10 or 20% return. So stay in tune why I believe this stock could produce these results pretty shortly. And alright, so let's go ahead and get started. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. We make amazing, great content for you to become a more profitable investor in the stock market, as well as disciplined strategies for you to use in the stock market that are guaranteed to make you more money. And we also focus a lot on swing trades like this stock that I'm going to be talking about today. And these are some links that you can use for free money when it comes down to investing. Different brokerages you can use. This is M1 Finance. The next one I'm going to show here is Acorns. It connects to your debit and credit card, and basically whenever you spend money, it's rounding up change for you to invest and in a portfolio. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is ULTA Beauty. It had a massive sell-off where it went down by 30% after it reported its earnings. So it actually missed its earning expectations, so it didn't make as much money as investors were hoping for, and this caused a huge sell-off, also due to market conditions and trade war issues with China. This is probably affecting the overall profitability of this company, and basically the main reason why they were down is because they didn't sell as much as they were expecting it to. But this stock has been growing on the max chart. It's always been consistently growing. It obviously does have times when it goes down in value like this, but it always seems to recover, and that's why I think this is a great stock. And ULTA Beauty is one of the leading brands when it comes down to the makeup industry. It has a lot of influencers, so famous people that promote ULTA Beauty. There's like Kim Kardashian and other famous people that promote the brand and have their own brands within ULTA Beauty. So it's definitely very popular and has a lot of attention. And it's something that's very common in social media for people to do makeup and makeup videos and all of that, which promotes the overall attention this stock and company gets. So it's a great investment because it's not something that's kind of hidden from the public. It's something that's out there and everybody's paying attention to. So it slid 29% on Friday, putting them on track for their biggest ever one-day percentage decline. So it's never dropped this much. And after the beauty product retailer warned that sales headwinds will dent future earnings. One thing that you have to keep in mind whenever you're going to swing trade a stock is you still don't want to buy even if it's dropped a lot. So there's 3 stages of a reversal. There's a rejection phase, which is what's going on right now, meaning it is still making lower lows, and so it's going to continue doing that until it begins to consolidate. Once it's consolidating, you're going to see this stock kind of flatline, where it's no longer making lower lows, but it's still not making higher highs, so it kind of just stays flat, and this means that it's in the consolidation stage. So first it's going to be in rejection, then it's going to be in consolidation, and then once you should invest in a swing trade investment in any stock that you're planning on swing trading, you should only invest in it as long as it reaches the 3rd stage of a reversal, which is called confirmation. So it's going to go through rejection, then consolidation, and then you're going to put your money in the stock once it begins confirmation, meaning you're starting to see the stock make higher highs, which we're definitely not seeing in the stock yet. We've only seen the rejection, and it's still rejecting as far as we know, so it's still making lower lows. I'm going to continue watching it and wait until I see that it begins to consolidate, and then it begins setting up a confirmation that it's going to begin to make higher highs. And also we are in a very difficult economic circumstance where most stocks are very overvalued, so this makes it a little bit more risky being in a swing trade, because anything in the economy can affect any stock that's in the overall stock market. And here I'm showing you the yellow circles are when the stock sold off before. So all these moments in time, the yellow ones, were times where the stock sold off massively, probably during an earnings as well. So all I see is the same thing repeating, but overall on the max chart, this stock has always grown. So I don't see any reason why you would lose money in this swing trade investment, because it always seems to go up in value over time as long as you continue to hold. And one thing that's amazing about this company is that it has zero debt. Yes, you heard that right. So they have no debt whatsoever, and this is an amazing feature of this company because it makes it a very safe investment, especially compared to others. Usually companies that have zero debt thrive massively during a recession because they're able to buy other companies or other brands as well during a recession, because they go down in value and everybody's wanting cash during a recession. And these companies are probably the only ones that have a lot of cash on the side because they have zero debt. And there's very few of them. So like I only know of ULTA, Beauty, and Facebook that have no debt. But let me know in the comment section if you know any other company that has no debt whatsoever. And swing trade investments with companies that have no debt always turn out to be a great investment. I did this with Facebook and it came out great. So I highly recommend you swing trading companies that have no debt whatsoever, because it really helps you out, especially if for some reason your swing trade went wrong. As long as you hold, you should still make money. Alright, so I'm glad I got to introduce ULTA Beauty for you. Like I said, I'm still going to be watching this stock. And yeah, I'm going to confirm the 3 stages of a reversal. Right now it's in rejection. I'm going to wait until it's beginning to consolidate. And then once it creates confirmation, I'll go ahead and start buying some shares. And I follow a very disciplined strategy where I only buy 1 share. And then I slowly begin to add shares as I get more profitable in my investment. If I'm losing money in the stock, I do not add more money, because there's no reason why you should be adding money to an investment that's not making you money. Only add money to investments that are making you money, because ultimately that'll create more profit for you. So I followed this strategy and it has always worked out. So I highly recommend you do this as well. And I also set a stop loss that's higher than my average cost. So just in case it ever gets near my average cost, my shares, all of them, will sell automatically. Alright, so thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. I'm so glad that I got to introduce this stock to you, and I hope that you watch it over the several days so you see how it plays out. It might make a great swing trade investment, but always do your own research. Alright, so thank you all so much. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.